Welcome, everyone. Today, I'm diving deep into Chainlink, one of the most influential altcoins in the crypto space. As a seasoned crypto trader, I'll break down Chainlink across 6 critical areas: technology, team and development, market support and liquidity, future application and adoption, tokenomics and supply model, and community and regulatory risks. I'll also share investment suggestions and assign a score out of 100 for each criterion. Let's get started. Section 1. Technology. Chainlink's core innovation lies in its decentralized Oracle network, which connects smart contracts with real-world data. Scalability. While Chainlink isn't a blockchain in itself, meaning it doesn't handle TPS or gas fees directly, it operates on top of established chains like Ethereum. Its upcoming Cross-Chain Interoperability Protocol (CCIP) and integration with Layer 2 solutions aim to boost efficiency and support thousands of data requests per second. Security. Chainlink's design is robust. The network has undergone multiple audits and has an excellent track record, with no major hacks reported. Its decentralized Oracle architecture, coupled with staking and reputation systems, adds layers of security that protect against manipulation and single points of failure. Consensus mechanism. Instead of a traditional proof-of-work or proof-of-stake system, Chainlink uses a reputation-based consensus among its Oracle nodes. These nodes are incentivized through staking, ensuring that only reliable actors participate, which in turn enhances data integrity. Innovation. With features like verifiable randomness (VRF), automation, and CCIP, Chainlink continually pushes boundaries. Its ability to integrate with both decentralized finance and traditional finance systems keeps it ahead of competitors in the Oracle space. Score for technology, 90/100. Section 2. Team and development. Next, let's talk about the team and development behind Chainlink. Experience and credibility. Chainlink's co-founder, Sergey Nazarov, and the rest of the team come with a strong background in both blockchain and traditional tech. Their vision has consistently guided Chainlink to become the gold standard in decentralized oracles. Track record. The team has a solid history of delivering on their promises, from launching innovative products to establishing key partnerships with industry leaders. Their previous projects and continual improvements have earned them a great reputation among investors and developers alike. Active development. A look at their GitHub shows regular code commits and feature updates, reflecting a vibrant and active development community. The roadmap is ambitious and continuously evolving, ensuring that Chainlink remains at the forefront of the industry. Score for team and development, 88/100. Section 3. Market support and liquidity. Now, let's examine Chainlink's market support and liquidity. Exchange listings. Link is listed on virtually all top-tier exchanges, including Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, and more. This wide availability contributes to its accessibility and trust within the market. Daily trading volume and liquidity. With robust daily trading volumes and deep liquidity pools, Link offers smooth trading and minimal slippage. This is essential for both institutional and retail traders who want to move large positions without impacting the market. Market cap versus fully diluted valuation. Chainlink boasts a strong market cap, supported by a fair token distribution, while the fully diluted valuation is higher due to the capped supply of 1 billion tokens. The current valuation is justified by its extensive real-world utility and the growing demand for Oracle services. Score for market support and liquidity, 93/100. Section 4. Future application and adoption. The future potential of Chainlink is rooted in its diverse real-world applications, real-world use cases, and partnerships. Chainlink isn't just a tool for DeFi, it's bridging traditional finance and Web3. With partnerships spanning Google Cloud, SWIFT, and even collaborations with emerging platforms in gaming and insurance, its utility is expanding rapidly. Adoption rate. More and more businesses, developers, and institutions are integrating Chainlink's Oracle services. Its role in powering secure data feeds for smart contracts is growing, ensuring that it remains essential as the crypto ecosystem evolves. Developer ecosystem and integrations. Chainlink's open-source nature and extensive documentation foster a vibrant developer community. Numerous integrations and plugins across multiple blockchains are a testament to its widespread adoption and continuous innovation. Score for future application and adoption, 91/100. Section 5. Tokenomics and supply model. Let's take a closer look at the Link token itself. Inflation over deflation mechanisms. The Link token operates with a fixed supply of 1 billion tokens. While there isn't an aggressive deflationary mechanism in place, staking rewards and periodic buyback initiatives from partners can help support its value. Staking and rewards. Staking is a core component. Node operators stake Link as collateral to ensure the reliability of data feeds. This mechanism not only secures the network but also offers attractive rewards for long-term holders. Token distribution. The initial token distribution was relatively fair, with allocations made to community members, developers, and strategic investors. Although some early VC involvement exists, the overall structure supports decentralization and widespread adoption. Score for tokenomics and supply model, 85/100. Section 6. Community and regulatory risks. Finally, let's discuss the broader ecosystem risks. Community strength and engagement. The Chainlink community, affectionately known as the Link Marines, is one of the most active and engaged in crypto. Their commitment and advocacy provide a strong foundation that supports Link's long-term success. Regulatory concerns. Like many crypto projects, Chainlink faces regulatory scrutiny. However, its status as a utility token and its broad adoption in both traditional and decentralized finance help mitigate some risks. Recent moves toward clearer regulations and a more crypto-friendly regulatory environment are positive signs. Network decentralization. Chainlink's decentralized architecture is a major strength. The network isn't controlled by a few centralized players, and its consensus mechanism based on staking and reputation ensures that power is distributed among many independent node operators. Score for community and regulatory risks, 87/100. Investment suggestions and strategies for 2025. So, what does this mean for investors heading into 2025? Buy the dip. With a strong technical foundation and ongoing innovations, consider buying on dips. The fundamentals are solid, and any temporary market corrections may offer attractive entry points. Long-term holding. If you're bullish on the future of decentralized oracles and Web3 integration, a long-term hold could be a wise move. Risk management. As with any crypto investment, manage your risk by diversifying and setting stop-loss orders. The volatility is inherent, but the potential upside remains compelling. Conclusion. To summarize, Chainlink stands out for its robust technology, experienced team, strong market support, promising real-world applications, sound tokenomics, and a vibrant community. Here's a quick recap of the scores. Technology, 90/100. Team and development, 88/100. Market support and liquidity, 93/100. Future application and adoption, 91/100. Tokenomics and supply model, 85/100. Community and regulatory risks, 87/100. Overall score, 89.55/100. For 2025, I recommend a balanced strategy. Buy on dips, hold for the long term, and always stay updated on market developments. Chainlink's continuous evolution and widespread adoption make it a compelling asset in your portfolio. Thanks for watching. If you found this analysis helpful, please like and subscribe for more in-depth crypto insights.